Future Science Experiments, and today we're going to be doing another dinosaur egg!
Alright, we have another dinosaur egg since we still have quite a few eggs to go in your Dig It Up dinosaur eggs kit. Last time we had a Plesiosaurus, and then we had an Anatotitan. There's two we didn't film, right? One that you did at Lola and Lolo's. And what do you remember what it was?
Plesiosaurus.
Oh, Plesiosaurus was in the video. Wasn't it a Brachiosaurus, the long neck? Yeah, it was.
And a pterodactyl.
Yeah. So, we're gonna go ahead and start.
I don't know if this is the one that's the T-Rex.
I know, Professor Edge really wants a T-Rex. So let's see if we get that today. Go ahead and put the egg in the water and then set the timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
4 minutes. Well, wait for it to sink first.
4 minutes?
Yeah, wait for it to sink. Let's let it sink first. Remember, the egg needs to sink.
3 minutes.
4 is better, so then the egg is easier to break. Because 3 is the minimum. Well, there you go. All right, 4 minutes, and then I'll call you when it's done.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait here.
Okay. All right, the timer has rung up.
It's almost done.
It's almost done. Are you sure?
Yep.
All right, go. Pull it out. Okay, Scientist Edge, let's go ahead and get your egg and start chipping away. And we'll see. Let's move this, and we'll see which one you get after we hatch it out. And if you need Daddy's help, he's ready to help you.
Let's chisel it out.
Let's move this.
That water we cannot drink. Right, Daddy?
Yeah, you don't want to drink that water. It's full of dinosaur eggshell. Ew. Oh, you're doing a lot better with this one.
I don't think...
Why don't you try a little bit more, and then I'll come in and help you out.
No, I don't know.
Oh.
If we set it for 5 minutes, that'll be more better.
We can try it for 5 minutes on the next egg. Why don't we? Let me help you out here, Scientist Edge. Let me see.
But don't do all of it.
Okay. I won't do all of it.
I'll try this.
You're gonna have to wash your hands. Here's the egg getting cracked open. And give Scientist Edge a little bit of a break. Alright, got a big chunk. Oh, okay. Alright, I'll let you finish. We got this much so far.
Whoa, that's a big chisel. Can I make this too?
You can, but there's nothing in there.
Yes.
Just get the little dinosaur out. Don't hit your fingers. Oh, there it is. Why don't
Let's
you
wash it.
dunk him in the water? There you go. All right, and let's see what we got. Let's hold it up to the camera. Let me see. Give me the dinosaur. Give me the little dinosaur, Edgy. Okay. All right, so Scientist Edge hatched out this guy. What is this guy called? Well, as you can see, he's pictured in the front. And if we look at the back,
Let's see.
he is called oh, this is the Spinosaurus right here. That's a very popular dinosaur. He's actually popular in the movie Jurassic Park. Cool. So what kind of an egg did we hatch today, Scientist Edge? Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus.
Cool. Is there anything that you want to tell your audience before we leave?
Thank you for watching our video and keep tuning in.
All right. Sounds good.